Yeah, I'm doing all right, man. Thank you. What's up? How you doing, bro?
Yeah, how you doing?
Eric.
Yep.
And I was gonna say it starts with a E. Miguel.
Miguel, yes sir.
Nice to see you again, bro. Doing all right, man.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh man. So what you doing out here again?
Just looking around at the new deals. I actually got a $10 birthday coupon to use. So.
Is your birthday today?
Nah.
It was.
So they give you up to a whole month.
Oh man. Man. That's great.
On top of all the other discounts, man. So. Yeah, so I'm trying to take advantage of it. Today's the last day too, so I gotta use it up.
Our new clearance? Our new clearance is popping now.
Is it?
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to go check it out.
Yeah, let me show you.
I'm waiting for those to go on clearance right there. The ones with the those hoodies right there. Yeah. The equestrian, all the equestrian stuff.
Yeah, this is big and tall, but we do offer that in a small.
Oh, dude. Yeah. I'm about to check it out.
Come on now, we got these.
Oh, these are fly. Oh, so there's all the clearance aisle right now?
Yeah.
Cool.
These.
Oh, I like these.
These jeans. The sweats. More jeans.
Oh, yeah. I definitely need some more jeans.
I
Too,
mean,
man.
it got.
These finally went on clearance. I bought it at full retail.
Yep.
Yeah, because it was like 3 bills. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. You ain't lying.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey. Oh, so you guys do have some.
Yeah. Yeah, we do have these ones, but this is big and tall. So
Oh,
like
okay.
Yeah. So oh wait, actually, right here.
Oh, there's a large right here. There you go. Yeah, because I saw large. Yeah, that's a fly. I was looking at these two colors right here, man.
Okay, so yeah, these are actually. I thought we only had it in the big and tall right now, but we actually do have them in the regular sizes. What size
Oh,
are you
man.
looking for?
With the hoodies, it's usually a medium and large. It's kind of weird. It depends on the fit, really.
Let me see if I have a large.
Man, these things are so dope. I've been eyeing these ever since I saw them online. But you know, online, man, they don't really be going on that good of a sell. So I gotta catch them here.
ask, do you got like a whole bunch of subscribers on your YouTube or something? Like, or is it like YouTube or was it?
Yeah, YouTube. I only got
nice,
about
nice.
500 right now.
I'm his personal
Personal Polo
Designer.
rep.
personal polo designer.
Yeah.
My name is Eric.
Yeah, man. So we're here at the Cabazon, California location. Yeah.
Come and get your polo. I'll help you out.
Yep.
All the styles and everything you could desire.
Yep.
All right, now we're all set.
Alrighty.
67, 86. That's
Thank you.
the final.
Yep.
Zip code as well, please.
I've learned how to shop here.
I can see that. Now you're an expert now.
Yeah, I know.
One second.
All right. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, Miguel. Have a
All
good
right,
day,
you
okay?
too.
Thank you.
All right, Eric. Have a great one, man. I'll see you next time.